Hi guys, today we're gonna have a discussion about why it's now easier to become a trader versus 10-20 years ago when I was trying to become a trader. When I first started learning how to trade, and when I first started being exposed to the world of trading in itself, you needed at least $10,000 to $25,000 to start. The initial capital requirement was always high and it was not very welcome, so you have to have $10,000 to open an account, and you needed at least $25,000 to access margin trading. So it was not very easy, Nowadays, you just come out of high school, you can open an account with all the different platforms available just to start testing the water, see if this is something you can even start. And it was a very bad thing, because imagine that you have to make that investment right away, and then you find out this is something you're not good at, or this is something you obviously don't like, and then you already invest $10,000. And most of the time, people start it and they think that they can learn one of the most difficult trading style, which is day trading or scalping. The second challenge we used to have before is the high cost of technology. I remember when I first started trading, having a gaming computer was a requirement. But the demand in terms of what we are using in trading, I'm talking about shorting system, access to information, and the fact that we are using computers that requires a lot of working memories. Nowadays, the computers that everybody can access to, they can purchase, those computers, they become more powerful overall, and then there's no need, honestly, if I'm starting right now, there is no need to have a very special type of computing power. I remember when I first started trading, the computer that I was using, it only takes too much for that computer to just showing sign of exhaustion. I had to purchase a gaming computer just to make it a trading station. But nowadays, any of the recent computers, a recent laptop can perfectly, you just put on one or two screens on that, not too much, and then you will be able to start working decently. Another big challenge we had 10-20 years ago when anybody wanted to learn to become a trader is the lack of community. Now you can imagine that before the internet it was almost impossible, and at the early age of the internet it was still very difficult to have a community, because even though the technology was there, it was not really available for everybody. Internet was very expensive, and especially you couldn't access it anywhere in the world, or it was not the same thing. So it was not very easy to be part of communities in which you can talk strategies, or we can share experience with different type of traders, or learning from other people from different type of analysis or trading style. It was very difficult, and a lot of the time having access to certain trading group or certain trading community, they were expensive in the sense that you had to pay big subscription fees or membership fee. Nowadays it's not the same thing. The other big is access to real-time information. This one is a big advantage you have today if you want to start. If you want to start today, the fact that information moves so fast, you have no idea how easy you are having it today, guys. Because I remember some who have earning reports and financial statement or balance sheets of different companies and some information that are supposed to be public. Well, you had to pay some big publishing or magazine to access those things. And can you imagine the cost of even thinking about starting trading 2 decades ago? When you consider all those things that we're talking about, having access to real-time information was probably one of the most expensive puzzle. Not even the setups or all that kind of stuff. Having real-time information, that was the most expensive thing. And then another aspect is also regulation. There is more regulation today, and I believe this is a good thing, because there is some, we had a lot of situation of trading platform or companies that took advantage of traders who did not have access to verify their information or verify any kind of statement. So the regulation we have today makes it easier, kind of protecting the everyday trader or the novice. And even I think that in some country the regulation is a little bit too tough and limit access to certain aspect of trading. But overall, I believe that, especially if you live in the United States, the regulation is doing a good job in protecting people that could have been literally treating trading as a gambling. And one more bonus thing, if I can say it like that, is diversification in market. When we start trading, you only had access to just a few things. Like all the way back, you probably, if you could access to market, probably stock market. But now we have all kind of market. You got stocks, you got crypto, and some people are trading future, all that kind of stuff. There is a lot of variety. You can trade forex, you can trade all these things, option, future, CDs, all these stuff. All these are all market. You can decide to become a trader. And then the last thing, this should have been in part of the top 5. It should have been part of the top 5, but I'm gonna put it as a bonus. The trading fee. So some of you don't even know about this, but when I start trading, you guys are paying very low fee. If you are trading cryptocurrency, I believe that sometimes you pay anywhere between 1% maximum, per trade. But when I started, it was like 3-4%, and some platform they literally charge you like you just have to pay like $10-20 per trade. They don't care, you make money or you lose, or and now you can buy and sell. There is term and condition, of course, but a lot of those major trading platform, like when you consider Fidelity, with their active pro platform, you trade and you don't pay any kind of fee. This is one of the most difficult things we had to deal with back in the days. So I believe that if you are thinking about trading today, I'm gonna make a video about some of the basics things you need to know. I'm gonna make a video about the cheapest way to start if I was gonna start to limit all your expenses to the very necessary. And then I believe that someone can start trading with less than $500. You can have a decent trading platform. You can have a good start in the market. So like if you're still dealing with challenge, I would like to know in the comment section, is there anything like if you consider as a challenge as of 2023? I'd like you to be open about that in the comment section, and remember to stay around, because we're gonna have different type of subject that I believe that most people that are taking action in the market would like to talk about. All right, take care, bye.